Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is our lecture number 2 for Business Studies class 12th, Nature and Significance of Management. So we will quickly revise what we have studied yesterday. So we discussed the definition of management, which is it is a process of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently with the aim of achieving organizational goals. After that, we have discussed the characteristics of management, what is the nature of management, and importance of management, functions of management, levels of management. Now we will discuss coordination today. This is the last part of this chapter. Coordination, it is the process by which a manager synchronizes the activities of different departments. So as we have discussed yesterday in the lecture number 1, that there are various functions of the management like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and also there are various levels also, top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. These all are interdependent activities which we have to perform in the management, so they all need coordination. If there won't be any coordination, then there will be a lot of chaos in the management. So first we'll as we have discussed, coordination is the process by which a manager synchronizes the activities of different departments. Common thread that runs through all activities such as purchase, production, sales, and finance to ensure continuity in the working of the organization. We can resolve that by performing coordination. Coordination is the deliberate function performed by the managers at all levels in the organization. Now we'll discuss the characteristics of coordination. The first characteristic is coordination integrates group efforts. So what does it mean? How it integrates the group efforts. So different individuals join the organization for different purposes. Now the manager integrates those individual efforts into group efforts so that they can achieve organizational goals. Now the second characteristic is coordination ensures unity of actions. Now all individuals independently perform their functions, but they are interdependent on each other for resources and information. We have to unite their actions so that we can achieve organizational goal. Now the third characteristics of coordination is a continuous process. As we have studied earlier, management functions are continuous: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, so well as the coordination. As coordination is required at all functions. Coordination is not a one-time function, but a continuous process. Begins at planning stage and continue till the controlling stage. Okay, now we'll move forward towards our fourth characteristics of coordination, which is coordination is a pervasive function. How it is pervasive? Because it applies to all levels of management, whether it's top level management, middle level management, or lower level management. So top level management needs to coordinate with the middle level management to explain their planning, to tell what they need. Then middle level coordinates with the top level and lower level, as well as the lower level coordinates with the middle level management. So coordination is a pervasive function. Now the last characteristics of coordination is the responsibility of all managers. As we have learned by far that coordination is performed so that there won't be any chaos in the management. Coordination is a deliberate function performed by the managers at all levels. So by far we have studied coordination definition, the characteristics of coordination, and now we'll move forward to learn the importance of coordination. Coordination is important as it integrates the efforts of individuals, departments, and specialists. Primary reason for coordination is that department and individuals in the organization are interdependent, dependent on each other for information and resources to perform these respective activities. So now we'll learn the different points in importance. First is growth and size. When the organization grows, the number of individuals join the organization grow as well. So we need coordination for all those individuals that have joined. in the organization, as well as the products that the company sale also increases. So when the growth and size happen in the organization, we need coordination. Now, functional differentiation. What do we understand by functional differentiation? Functional differentiation basically means that there are different functions performed by an organization. Different functions, what were they? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. But in the organization, they are divided into like human resource department, finance department, sales department. They all are interdependent and also they have independent objectives. For example, finance department wants to cut the cost and increase the revenue. Sales department want to increase the sales. So they have independent objective as well. We have to integrate those independent objectives to achieve the organizational objective. Now let's take an example that sales department wants to increase the sales, so they wants to give discount to the customers. But finance department refuses to do so because it will cut in revenue. So we have to, the manager needs to combine those independent objective of different organization by realizing them that we have to achieve one common goal of organization. Now the third and last importance of coordination is specialization. What is a specialization? So as the organization grow, they hire different specialists in the organization, and all specialists thinks that they are superior to the other one, and they refuses to listen to the other specialist. So we have to coordinate, the manager have to coordinate with each specialist so that we can achieve the organizational goals. So today finally we have completed the first chapter, nature and significance of management. Yesterday we have covered the other portion, so you can watch lecture number 1 for the same. Okay, thank you. Please like and share, subscribe to our channel.